Hello, my joyful colleagues. I wanted to talk about the first topic I have scheduled for my workshop series or discussion series of supporting you in your teaching. And so my first discussion is going to be held on, I wrote it down, Wednesday, September 3rd from 3:30 to 5. And the topic for that particular discussion session is going to be who we lean on and the curriculum of support, the hidden curriculum of support. And so I wanted to talk about that in some videos leading up to that particular discussion, because I think that as faculty members, and I've mentioned this before, we tend to look for support for our students. We are often really, really great about connecting them with the resources they need, not just as students, but as a whole person. And I think we do less well for ourselves in that arena. So my goal for the next workshop and this series of videos and resources leading up to it is to help get us thinking about what is that hidden curriculum we should be aware of. We never want a secret syllabus for our students. We never want a secret curriculum for our students. And yet I do think unintentionally there is a secret curriculum and a secret syllabus for us as teachers. And I believe in many ways the system sets us up that way. I don't really believe that individuals set us up that way. I think the system of academia has set us up that way. So let me explain what I mean by that. In much the same way that students for a really long time, generations, centuries, however far back you want to go, went through school, and school was meant to be rigorous. It was meant to be hard. It was meant to, sort of like suss out the men from the boys, to use an antiquated and sexist term. It was meant to be the hardest of the hard for a specific group of people. It wasn't supportive. The system wasn't. That's not to say individual faculty, staff, other students, etc., were not supportive. It means the system wasn't built that way. It wasn't its goal. It's only in recent generations that we have begun to see this shift towards a culture of care, like we see now at MiraCosta, where we're filling out reports to connect our students to other resources. We're walking them over to the farmers market. We're making sure that they have accommodations through SAS. We're helping them to get a bus pass or an Uber voucher, in addition to, yes, I can extend a deadline for that exam or whatever else we do that's great in class. So the system was not always set up to be supportive of students. It wasn't always student-centered. And if we take it a step further, it was not set up to be supportive of faculty. It was also meant to, I don't want to say hamstring us, because we've always, as faculty, whether it was an associate faculty member, a full-time faculty member, and this is going back again, generations, centuries, this isn't specific to now or a certain place. Faculty or working at a college has always come with some air of importance, some credibility, right? It gives you a certain supposed reputation, etc. And all of that's well and good, but if you really dig deep, what types of support do we have other than, again, individual people in these institutions helping to support us? The systems themselves are not necessarily meant to support us. Outside of tenure, tenure's meant to support us, but even who gets tenure is steeped in problematic privilege. Getting a job as a professor is steeped in problematic privilege. So I'm not even talking about the folks who don't reach it to the teaching job. Those folks for sure were not supported. We know there are tons and tons of people, thousands, maybe millions of people who over the generations and centuries should have been in front of a classroom sharing their knowledge. And for some reason or reasons, society did not let them. They were not allowed to. They weren't old enough, young enough, the right gender, the right color, the right background, you name it. Those people were never supported. So then if you can manage to get past that gauntlet and somehow you're the unicorn that, makes it in and you actually get the job, is there support? Has there been support? So I think about this a lot, maybe too much, but I think about it because I have always been incredibly fortunate to be tapped into the secret curriculum of support and the secret syllabus of support for faculty, for employees. I'll even just say that as employees, as far back as being a student worker and a classified employee and an associate faculty. I had good connections. I put myself in places and I was invited to places and circles where I was supported and given resources that had I not been in those circles or had I not known those humans, I wouldn't have known about. And that's what I mean by the secret syllabus and the secret curriculum. So much like a student going through a class who doesn't ask the right question or watch the right video or know the right other student to ask that, oh, hey, this other rule exists, this resource exists. That's a secret syllabus. That's a secret curriculum. And so I think about this because I've always been fortunate in that way. And I have been motivated to put myself into situations where I wanted to ask more questions once my eyes were sort of open to this whole world of support. And I don't see a lot of faculty, especially associate faculty, who know about that support, who feel that support. So I went through a graduate school that taught me how to teach. And this will all connect back in a minute. I didn't want to go there at first. I wanted to go somewhere else. And for a variety of personal reasons, I wound up going there. I went to Cal State San Marcos and I graduated with my master's in literature and writing. I also have my bachelor's degree from there. And it's a small school, it's a small program. But one of the things about that program, especially at the time that I went, and in the years shortly before and shortly after that, especially, that program had a real focus on teaching graduate students specifically how to teach composition. What are some of the practices that work well when teaching a certain age group, when teaching online, when teaching a specific text? What are grading practices that are equitable, and why are they equitable? What's the research behind that? That's a very different inroad to teaching than many faculty have. And so they start teaching with an expertise in their discipline, but not necessarily an expertise in teaching. And that is where resources are needed. That's where connections are needed. That's where that big community hug is sort of needed, your circle of people, right? You need a team, you need a circle, it could be one person, it could be 20 people, but you need a curriculum of support. You need support. And you don't just need people, right? You need resources. And I don't mean resources like okay, I'm gonna pull out this book right now and it's gonna tell me how to do this thing. I think we've all been around long enough to recognize that just doesn't exist. We got it. Our jobs involve a lot of critical thinking and problem solving. However, there are a lot of resources out there that help you to unpack those bigger ideas and feel supported and validated in the choices that you're making. And so I think about all this, right? And I'm always kind of like, how do I put all these pieces together? And how do I put myself in circles where people know I am there to support them on this journey? And they may not know the question to ask, but I can help. They may not know where to go, but I can help because I had so many people doing that for me. And at the same time, those people would be like, and have you read? And have you watched? And they're constantly like pointing me to things, right? This is harder when you work at more than one place. And I know that. I was an associate, or as they called them at the time, an adjunct, right? At three different schools. I was a freeway flyer. I was teaching in every modality you can imagine. At one point, I was teaching for a private university, online and out of state, completely asynchronous. This is long before the pandemic. I was teaching in person at a university locally, a state university, and I was teaching at a community college in person and online. I I saw all the things, right? I saw all the modalities, all the different student populations, the different challenges, and I felt at two of the schools really disconnected from other teachers, from support for teachers. Like I didn't even know if there was a secret curriculum or if there just wasn't at all and there was no support because I felt so disconnected and I didn't have a person to ask. But then at one of my schools, I felt really supported. And I want to make sure that I am in this role as a joyful teacher, but also in my role as a department chair, also in my role as just a colleague. I am always saying to people, do you need support? How can I support you? And so I took on this joyful teacher role because I think that's something I can bring to the table. I want to help reveal that sort of secret curriculum and secret syllabus for you. I want you to know that there is support for you, whether you are in year one or year 25. We keep growing, right? That's what we tell our students. We should be telling ourselves that. We also tell our students they need to ask questions and they need to ask for help. And I'm saying the same to you. I'm that safe space for you to ask that of. But in addition to that, just like my best mentors did, I'm going to be providing you some resources that have also been sent to me by my circle, my people. I find them myself and people share them with me. And so you're going to see this week, one of the things that I'm sharing is from our wonderful previous joyful teacher in residence, Jim Sullivan. He's also our current president-elect for the Academic Senate. He's letters faculty here at Maricosta College. He's been here for 20 plus years and is a fixture at the campus. And he is a passionate supporter of faculty. And one of the resources he talked about this year in the new Full-Time Faculty Institute was a book I hadn't heard of, but now I'm like low-key obsessed with. And it's called The Present Professor. And I'm going to share the link. The library has a free copy of it. You can read it for free online. I'm sharing an image of the introduction because it ties back to literally all of that core I just talked about. We have to take care of ourselves as teachers. We want to take care of our students, but we also need to know us and know that we need support too, because we can't show up for them if we don't show up for ourselves. And if we don't know how to show up for ourselves, or where to get the resources to show up for ourselves, then we can't be the best version of ourselves in class. So I'm linking to the introduction, the actual book, and a podcast It's about 44 minutes. It's a podcast interview with the writer. As always, I want you to take these in bites. You might read part of the book, you might just partly listen to the podcast. I want you to take away some ideas and see what you connect with, right? That's part of growing and going, that's a potential resource. I'm going to kind of listen to it a little bit. It may validate some of the questions and concerns and challenges you have. It may not resonate, but that's how we begin to build and cultivate our teaching resources and our community. And I share all these resources so that you're sort of building this arsenal of things that you can pull from. Over the summer, I shared a book with you called The Pedagogy of Joy. And I love that book, but it's not necessarily for everybody. And it also, it doesn't encompass everything. No book does. So just like we do with our YouTube tutorials we save and our little Pinterest posts, and we go, hey, I know somebody showed me somewhere, right, how to install these blinds at my house, and I'm going to watch this video, and by God, I'm going to install these blinds myself, okay? We do that all the time in our real life. I mounted a TV for the very first time 2 weeks ago. I was so freaking proud of myself. And how did I do this? YouTube. Thank you very much. You're gonna do the same with your teaching. And it's these books, it's these podcasts, it's people that you're gonna reach out and go, I know somebody talked about ungrading. I'm gonna call them. I know that this book, I'm pretty sure she mentioned this thing about equitable language on a syllabus or classroom management strategies. And that's how you start cultivating, right? Those resources and that curriculum for yourself of support. So I hope that you find the present professor helpful. I am loving it. Big shout out to Jim. That's why I'm sharing it. I think everybody should read at least part of it. It's great. It pairs wonderfully with bell hooks. If you've never read bell hooks, video on her next week, video on her writing and support next week. She is one of those foundational educational support blocks that regardless of your discipline, bell hooks has something for you. But this book pairs nicely with bell hooks. It pairs nicely with the Pedagogy of Joy. There's another book that they mention in the podcast called The Pedagogy of Kindness, right? So there's lots of stuff out there that I'm going to be talking about leading up to the September 3rd discussion. And again, that's who we lean on, the hidden curriculum of support. I hope to see you there, and I hope that you're able to engage in some of these readings and listenings in bite sizes in the next week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and please send me feedback. I hope that you enjoy what I'm sharing.